How to forward message on Signal. I'm gonna keep it simple and short because it's really easy how to do it. So open the app, click on your chat. Now we're gonna send some message. I don't know, message. Send it, and now just tap on it and hold. And as you can see, there's a forward. Click on it. Now choose the person you would like to send this message, like forward this message. I'm gonna try it with Martin again because I have only one contact here. And also you can add a message. So this is message from Martin. He sent me this today. Okay, send it. And now you can see the message here and like some additional text here. Also, you can do it really easy. Just take a screenshot, choose the photo, the screenshot, and you can send it like this. It's pretty easy, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in the next one.